Hey guys, today I have an unboxing video of this Panasonic SC-HC37 compact stereo system. It's basically a set of stereo speakers combined with an iPod dock that enables you to play music from your iPod or iPhone, a CD player, an FM/AM radio tuner, and you can also play music from your USB stick. So I got the white one and let's go ahead with the unboxing. Right here I have a pen knife. Let's cut it open. Right, so that's what you get when you open the box. Warranty card or other papers. This is your bunch of manuals and remotes and cables. I believe this is the wall mount. Operating instructions. Power cable. Another power cable. This looks to be the A-rail for the FM/AM radio tuner. And a bunch of remote. Right, so let's pull this out. Nothing else in the box. And another power cable. Alright, so let's open this up. And right there, you have your Panasonic SC-HC37. Alright, so let's just take a quick recap on what's in the box. You have the SC-HC37 itself, power cables, antenna for the FM/AM radio tuner, remote, some wall bracketing to enable you to put it on the wall, and more wall stuff. Manual and your warranty papers. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Alright, so now I've got it set up. Let's take a quick sound test. Using my iPhone. ways on the other side.
Now, fuck you, pay me.
Run 'em, run 'em.